Hey guys, back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm doing my survival world. My video is getting uploaded right now to my survival world episode, Minecraft episode 1. Survival series, but my survival world. Top of my lap, and this is my lap. Like it? This is my hand. This is my launch pad. Launch off. Okay, I'm gonna build it outward. Have like the side will be a potion shop. Yeah, potion shop. Yeah, I will be back when I have the potion shop built. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay. I'm done with my little greenhouse. I decided that I'm gonna make this a greenhouse, and I'm gonna have wheat seed. I'm gonna have plants over here, sugar cane, and I have no idea what I'm gonna have this for. Automatic sheep farm probably, and I have 2 automatic sheep farms. I don't know, but I know there's a village nearby. Yeah, there's a village nearby. Or maybe have. Me remove all this out my inventory. have a berry farm too. I'm sick. I just gotta take this smoker with me. I'm about to kill myself. Beetroot, pumpkins, and that's it. And maybe some potatoes. Then I can check all night. I know easy money. Y'all, y'all heard of the new update? I gotta go make a diamond hole. I'll cut back when I get the diamond hole. Okay, guys. I didn't make the diamond hole yet, but I gotta find it because I didn't have no sticks back in my room. What time is it? Me myself touch my head. Oh, these are damn, I don't know. Pumpkin, pumpkin. instead of a actual potion shop, it's going to be if I say I'm not recording. I need more dirt. See if I have some. Okay. I'll go. I got it. And I realize trees need to be spaced out. Hold on. This part right here about to be an automatic farm. And I move my head. They about to be ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Now I made the automatic farm, and while I was building it, I got 8 pieces of wood. I should light this up. Wait, stop in here. Y'all thought that last clip, the last part, I was about to do a sick transition. Heck, I don't know how to do transitions. I'm about to do something cool. No, I'm not putting it right there. I decided to put it outside because if I put it outside, I get able to make a little barn full of farms. Probably. I could have a farm in there, and oh no. Okay, my screen just went black for a couple seconds. But I just have some trees growing in here. Just have some wood to collect when I do need some wood. Are you lit too? mask, kid. Give me mask. You saw that skeleton that the voice saying. He just got dodged. Comment below what kind of automatic farm should I do. I got a sheep farm. Sheep farm. Yeah, I just got a sheep farm right here. Just regular old plain sheep farm. And then go in here, go check my chest. And then this is sort of holding down my shit. Don't ask why I have grass blocks. I have grass blocks. I'll tell you. So, I got grass blocks because I'm sick to touch pickaxe. I do need to make my shovel. I need to go get another shovel and make that shovel. And yeah, this. Comment. I did the automatic farms for today. I built my little greenhouse. Built my greenhouse. What kind of automatic farms should I do in the next video? Comment below. And it could be a automatic farm. Yeah, automatic farm. Which kind of automatic farm should I do? I'll try to do it next video. But if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Psych, this video ain't done yet. But ooh, it does jump. I saw that. I didn't record yet. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Oh my god. Ooh, monkey shot. Screen. Guys, I'm gonna leave a poll up for what kind of farm should I do? Automatic. What kind of farm should I do? Or what kind of builds should I do? Cause I wanted to do a potion shop. update is gonna be so awesome. Instead of you needing, wasting your time going to the end, get sugar box, you can actually. After I want y'all to go to the community tab. When this video comes out, I want you to go on the community tab. You better do it. Better do it. You better go to my channel community tab. I can chat with y'all, but I can't really chat. It really don't matter. But I'm gonna leave a poll for what kind of farm should I do. So I'll leave a little option thing to. I will try to. No, frick that. I ain't about to do no community poll. Yes, let's go. Half of it is full, half of it is not full. I got 8 buckets, 7. Let's see if I got any more. Grass. Regrow, you stupid grass. You grass. So, what kind of farm should I do? And what kind of build should I do for this automatic farm? Should I move it down? Should I move it or keep it? I'm gonna leave a card up that's gonna say, I'm gonna leave you wanna see the little eye in the top right corner of your screen popping up in 3, 3, 2, 1. But soon it'll pop up. Soon the eye will pop up in any part of this video, and it'll have what kind of farm should I do, and whatever one is the winning vote, I will do that one in the next video. Now, which one have the less, like, I do that many, like if I do 5 automatic farms, put in the poll card, right? And I have 5 farms, and the first 5 farms, I will do the first farm that got the most votes, the second farm that got the most vote in second, then I'll do the 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and the 5th one will be the last one that had the least. It'll be least to most votes. Basically, I'm saying I'm gonna do the most votes to the least votes for the farms, and whatever the one y'all pick will be the first one to do. But if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and be part of the. I know I created a skin. It ain't my official skin I want to wear on my PlayStation, but I'm gonna call this my skin. I love it. So, and I have another one. Soon I'm gonna get Java edition that I can have my own custom skin that I made. And I'm just calling this one my skin for right now. And when I get Java edition, I will have my own custom skin. But I'm gonna probably get Bedrock edition. Probably gonna try to get Java and Bedrock edition on the computer. Then hook up my controller because I'm a bot. I don't know how to play on computer, keyboard, and mouse. And that's it. And be part of the Zombie game. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends. And if you enjoyed this video, peace.